In this slide, we are going to just address the interlink between sustainability reports and accountability. So we are talking about two different kinds of accountability. The first one is the strategic accountability, which has a bit narrower perspective because it all just links the SR with economic motives and looks at the decisions that uh, improve the quality of sustainable reporting with the primary drive of increasing shareholders' value. And in the strategic accountability framework, sustainability reports are viewed as a tool for attracting and retaining investors. So that is the strategy. Use the SR for more and more prospective or ethical users and grow your organization's value and try to provide stakeholder or shareholder value. However, the holistic accountability emphasis is more on ethical consideration and corporate social responsibility. And when we look at the holistic accountability, it does not consider or keep focusing on how to attract more and more investors, but is try to justify sustainability reporting practices as an essential component of demonstrating social, environmental, and economic responsibility that the company has toward the wider community.